Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all around us but maybe not fully understood. 5G, it feels like just yesterday we were all excited about 4G, and now 5G is the new buzzword. But what does it actually mean for us, beyond just faster downloads on our phones? That's the big question, isn't it? When people hear 5G, they immediately think faster internet. And yes, that's a huge part of it. We're talking speeds that could let you download a full-length movie in just a few seconds. But the real revolution of 5G isn't just about speed. It's about something called latency. Latency, right? For anyone who isn't a tech expert, that's basically the delay between when you send a signal and when it's received. With 4G, there's a small but noticeable lag. 5G aims to make that lag almost zero. Think about online gaming. No more frustrating delays. But the implications are way bigger than that. Exactly. This is where it gets really exciting, and a bit sad. Ultra-low latency opens the door for technologies that need instant communication. Imagine self-driving cars talking to each other and to traffic lights in real time to prevent accidents. That requires a network that's incredibly responsive, which is what 5G delivers, and it's not just cars. Think about remote surgery. A surgeon in New York could operate on a patient in a rural town using a robotic arm with no delay in their movements. The precision required for that is immense, and 5G's reliability and low latency make it possible. It's about connecting not just people, but everything. That's the concept of the Internet of Things, or IoT. Your smart fridge, your thermostat, your city's streetlights, all connected and communicating. 5G can handle a massive number of connected devices in a small area without getting congested, unlike 4G, which would struggle. This will make our cities smarter and our homes more efficient. So, while we're enjoying faster streaming on our phones, the real groundwork is being laid for a massive technological shift. It's an infrastructure upgrade that will power the next generation of innovation. It sounds like the difference between a country road and a superhighway. That's a perfect analogy. You can still get to your destination on a country road, but the superhighway opens up entirely new possibilities for commerce, travel, and logistics. 5G is that digital superhighway. But, of course, with any new technology, there are challenges. Rolling it out nationwide is a massive undertaking. It requires new infrastructure, new cell towers that are closer together. True, and there have been a lot of discussions and even misinformation about it. It's important to rely on scientific consensus and credible sources when we hear concerns. The technology itself is just a tool, but it's a powerful one that's set to redefine how we live, work, and play. Absolutely, the move to 5G is less of an update and more of a complete evolution of our wireless capabilities. It's going to be fascinating to see what new applications and industries are born from this technology over the next decade. We're really just at the very beginning of its potential. It's an exciting time to be alive, that's for sure. From faster movie downloads to revolutionary medical procedures, 5G is set to change our world. What are you most excited about with 5G? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in with us today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more conversations about the tech that's shaping our future. We'll see you in the next one.